Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic that affects millions of people worldwide, diabetes. We'll break down what it is, the different types, symptoms, and how you can manage it. So, let's get started. Diabetes is a chronic health condition that affects how your body turns food into energy. Normally, your body breaks down most of the food you eat into sugar, glucose, and releases it into your bloodstream. When your blood sugar goes up, it signals your pancreas to release insulin. Insulin acts like a key to let the blood sugar into your body's cells for use as energy. But with diabetes, your body either doesn't make enough insulin or can't use it as well as it should. There are three main types of diabetes: type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. Let's explore each one. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune condition where the body attacks insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. It's usually diagnosed in children and young adults. People with type 1 need to take insulin every day. Type 2 diabetes is the most common form and occurs when the body doesn't use insulin properly. It can develop at any age but is more common in people over 45. Lifestyle factors like diet and exercise play a significant role in managing type 2 diabetes. Gestational diabetes develops during pregnancy and usually goes away after the baby is born. However, it increases the risk of developing type 2 diabetes later in life for both mother and child. Now, let's talk about the symptoms of diabetes. Common signs include increased thirst, frequent urination, extreme fatigue, and blurred vision. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to see a healthcare provider for testing. Managing diabetes involves a combination of medication, lifestyle changes, and regular monitoring. We spoke with Dr. Smith to get more insights on this.
Managing diabetes effectively requires a personalized approach. For type 1 diabetes, insulin therapy is crucial. For type 2, lifestyle modifications such as a healthy diet and regular exercise are key. Monitoring blood sugar levels helps track your progress and make necessary adjustments.
Thank you, Dr. Smith. Remember, living with diabetes doesn't mean you can't lead a healthy and active life. With the right management plan, you can thrive. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and information.